So just a quick video today to talk about the two array methods, slice and splice. So similar names, sort of similar functionality. The slice method, what it does is it takes an array and says, okay, we want to remove something. Just imagine taking a knife and cutting a chunk out of the array. It's going to take an optional starting and ending position. So let's do a demo here. If I call slice, I can just call it like this. Now if I log out the result of that with no arguments at all, what I'm going to get is a shallow copy of that array. There we go. So you can see what came back from it, the return value of slice, was the whole array. Now if you specify starting and ending positions or just starting position, let's say this is numbered 0 through 4, so I'm going to take 3 and up. If I do that, there we go. We get the last two things in there, and if I say I want items 3 and 4, there we go. So starting at 3, up to but not including number 4. This is what I will get. All right, so that is splice. Simple enough. So it returns a shallow copy of the removed or sliced items from the array. Now with splice, what we're doing is we're cutting into the array, but we're healing that array, and we're actually changing the original array. So if we take this same array, we could say, I want to remove Marshall. And in place of Marshall, I'm going to put two other names. And then I'm going to heal it. I'm going to put it back together. So I'm splicing something into the array. So we can say names.splice. And starting number, well, 0, 1. So this is our starting number. Starting at this position, this is going to be where I cut and also where I insert. So starting at this position, the delete count, the next argument, is how many things do you want to remove? Well, I'm only going to remove one thing. Then after that, I can add 0 or more items to the array. So we can put an array, we could put an object, I can put a string, I can put a number, I can put anything I want into this array. Arrays in JavaScript aren't bound to only hold one data type, but let's keep it the same. Let's add in Luke and Leia. There we go. Now, what's going to be returned is an array of the deleted items. So if we put this in a result variable, I can say log the results, and I can also say I want to know what's in names now. So let's clear this out and run it again. There we are. So the result was what was removed from the array. That was Marshall. And then names is now a new modified array. So these are the items that we now have in there. And you can see both items were added in the place that Marshall was originally. And that's it. That's slice and splice. Slice, you're cutting into it, you're removing something, you get back what you removed, a shallow copy of what you removed. With splice, we're cutting into it, and we're putting something new in that spot. Now, I could have said 0. If I did that, there we are. I still have Marshall in there. I went in and I removed nothing at position 1. I inserted these two things and then continued on with the array. So these two items got placed at position 1. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments down below. And as always, thanks for watching.